In the deep, wiggly waters of the wonder blue sea lived a cheerful little octopus named Olive. She had 8 twisty arms, big curious eyes, and a heart full of dreams. But Olive had one big question. What am I good at? She swam through the coral town of Swishy Reef, where every sea creature seemed to have a special talent. Crabby Carl could tap dance with his tiny claws. Daisy the dolphin did perfect flips through hoops. Timmy the turtle could balance sea urchins on his shell. But Olive? She wasn't sure yet. I want to be good at something too, she said, tying her arms in knots, on accident of course. So Olive went on a talent-finding adventure. First, she tried singing with the whale choir. She opened her beak and let out a bubbly blub blub blub. The whales blinked. That was interesting. That's a polite whale word for very loud. Next, she tried speed swimming with the swordfish. Ready, set, swim, they shouted. But poor Olive got tangled in her own arms and spun in a loop-de-loop. Maybe I'm not a racer, she giggled. Then she spotted some sea snails painting shells with coral paint. Olive had an idea. She picked up a brush with each of her 8 arms. Swipe, swoosh, splatter, squiggle. She painted fishy faces, kelpy clouds, and glittery jellyfish. Even the sand sparkled with her artwork. All the ocean creatures gathered around and clapped their fins and flippers. Wow, said Carl the crab. Olive, you're an artist. Olive smiled so big her cheeks made bubbles. I found my talent. She cheered. I'm not fast or loud or loopy, I'm creative. And from then on, the reefs of Wonder Blue Sea were full of colors, giggles, and Olive's underwater masterpieces.